In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Burger King gift card. Whether you're sending a quick thank you or planning a simple gift, the process is straightforward and can be done entirely online. You can purchase a Burger King gift card through well-known retailers such as Amazon, PayPal, eGifter, or Best Buy. The big decision you'll make first is the format: an e-gift card delivered by email or a physical plastic card shipped to an address. E-gift cards are great for instant delivery, while physical cards work well if you want something tangible to hand over. Start by visiting your chosen retailer's gift card page and look for the option labeled Buy Gift Card or E-gift card. Then click it to open the purchase form. From there, choose the card type. If you pick e-gift, you'll be asked for an email address for delivery. If you choose a physical card, you'll provide a mailing address instead. Take a moment to consider timing. E-gifts typically arrive within minutes to a few hours, while mailed cards can take several days depending on shipping. Next, select your amount. Most retailers offer preset values, often ranging from about $10 up to $250. Some sites let you enter a custom amount within that range. If you're unsure how much to give, think about an average meal cost and whether you want to cover multiple visits. It's also a good idea to scan the page for any noted fees or limits before moving on. Enter the recipient details carefully. For e-gifts, double-check the email address, as a simple typo can send the card to the wrong inbox. You can also send it to yourself if you prefer to forward it later or print it. For physical cards, confirm the correct name and full shipping address. There's usually a box to add a personal message. This is optional, but including your name and a short note can help the recipient recognize the gift right away. When everything looks good, click Add to Cart. Review your cart to confirm the amount, quantity, and delivery type. Proceed to payment and enter your payment details. Retailers commonly accept credit or debit cards, and some support digital wallets or PayPal. Make sure your billing information matches your payment method to avoid delays. Finally, click Checkout or Place Order. You should receive an order confirmation. E-gift cards typically arrive by email shortly. If not, check the spam or promotions folder. Physical cards will be shipped to the address you provided. And that's it. Your Burger King gift card is on its way.